It's really lovely to be here. Yesterday, when I arrived, the Prabhudev was asking me, he asked me one question: how can we have bhakti?
जब म आइसकेको थिएँ, एकजना प्रभुजीले सोध्नुहुन्थ्यो कि भक्ति के हो?
No, we all believe in God. We believe in something. We call it bhakti, but in reality, bhakti is almost beyond that.
हामी सबै परमात्मामा विश्वास गर्छौं अर्थात् भगवानमा विश्वास गर्छौं र हामी कुनै न कुनै भगवानमा आस्था गर्छौं र हामी सबै
See, in bhakti there is trust, vishwas.
भक्तिमा श्रद्धा अर्थात् विश्वास हुन जरुरी छ।
श्रद्धा के बिना कुछ नहीं, भक्ति नहीं है। So that trust must be there. And trust is not something that you say, yes, today I trust, tomorrow I don't trust.
र श्रद्धा अत्यन्तै महत्त्वपूर्ण छ भक्तिका लागि र श्रद्धा बिना केही चीज सम्भव छैन।
In the Gita, Krishna said, surrender your mind to me alone. That word, he said, alone.
भगवान कृष्णले भगवत गीतामा भन्नुहुन्छ कि तिमीहरूले ममा शरणागति गर, शरणागति बिना केही सम्भव छैन।
Yeah, that word alone means ananya bhakti, which means na anya. Na anya means no one else. It's very powerful, actually, this terminology. Where he said, when you have bhakti, there should not be anybody else. You see, very often people have bhakti for this, because I want this. Bhagavan Ganesh is for remove obstacle. Shankar Bhagavan is for this. If you want this, you have many directions. Then your mind is clouded in many directions, you can't focus. No? Yet you want to have everything, you can't focus.
भगवान कृष्ण भन्नुहुन्छ केवल मेरा लागि शरणागति गर र सबै चीज सम्भव छ। हामी केही अप्ठ्यारो पर्यो भने, केही समस्या पर्यो भने गणेशलाई प्रार्थना गर्छौं कि मेरा विघ्न बाधाहरू हरिदेऊ भनेर कि र कहिले हामी शिवलाई प्रार्थना गर्छौं कि यो गरिदेऊ त्यो गरिदेऊ भनेर, तर भक्ति बिना केही सम्भव छैन।
After saying surrender to me alone, he said, I'll maintain, I'll take care of what you have. And I will look after the thing that you don't have, I shall provide for you.
जब तिमीहरूले ममा केवल ममा शरणागति गर्नेछौ, म तिमीहरूको सबै किसिमले ख्याल गर्दछु र भगवानले अर्थात् कृष्णले हाम्रो सम्पूर्ण तरिकाले रक्षा गर्नुहुन्छ।
You see, those who have true bhakti, sincerely knows him, should not worry about anything.
जसमा स्मित सिन्सियर भक्ति रहेको हुन्छ, भक्ति हुन्छ, उसले मात्र सच्चासित भक्ति गर्न सक्दछ।
When you have him, you should not worry.
र हामीले भगवानलाई प्राप्त गर्छौं या गर्दैनौं भनेर हामीले चिन्ता गर्ने हैन।
But yet, people are so worried about everything.
र पनि हामी धेरै चिन्ता गर्दछौँ, आत्तिन्छौँ।
No? This is because the mind can be attached only to one thing. Either your mind is attached to him, or your mind is attached to Maya. When your mind is attached to Maya, garbad.
हाम्रो मस्तिष्क कि मायामा अल्झिरहेको हुन्छ र हामी संसारमा भुलिरहेका हुन्छौँ, न कि ब्रह्ममा।
How you say? Brahma. What did you translate?
We
I have to check a little bit.
we are illusioned in Maya, and we are not focusing on God.
So that bhakti must be there. That's important. You see, the mind, how our mind functions. Our mind is predominated by the outside reality. And outside reality we have fear. Fear have two qualities. And why people can't concentrate on God, why people don't trust? Because they have fear. Fear stops somebody. Is it too much?
हाम्रो भक्तिमा डरले जडा गाडिरहेको हुन्छ र हाम्रो भगवान प्रतिको आस्थालाई कमजोर गराइरहेको हुन्छ र हाम्रो मस्तिष्कले बाहिरी संसारमा नै अल्झाइरहेको हुन्छ र हामीलाई परमात्मापट्टि अघि बढ्न रोकिरहेको हुन्छ।
So fear is like this: fear of not having enough, or fear of not having something. You have an idea of what you have inside of your mind, and you want to achieve it. In place of trusting what you have fear that you will not achieve it. It's the same thing. You take a project in life, you want to advance, you want to study, you want to do something. First thing that arises inside of your mind is, will I ever do it? You already put fear first. So the fear itself stops you. So the mind is like this. You see, when it's concentrated on the outside world, then you can't really trust. But one is not there, it's here, situated inside of you. First, you have to find him inside of you.
हामी डरले धेरै ग्रसित छौँ र हामी भित्र भएको भगवानलाई अर्थात् परमात्मालाई हामीले डरले भुलिरहेका छौँ। हामी जे छैन त्यो पाउनको लागि तडपिरहेका छौँ र मलाई प्राप्त हुन्छ या हुँदैन भनेर डरले आत्तिरहेका छौँ र हाम्रो भक्ति कमजोर बनिरहेको छ र हामीले जुन परमात्मालाई खोजिरहेका छौँ त्यो हामी भित्रै छ र हामी बाहिर दौडिरहेका छौँ। तर हामीले श्रद्धा र भक्तिले आफूमा खोज्यो भने परमात्मा आफै भित्र छ।
So by saying and maintain everything means he's looking after each one of you, providing for everything. But you have to let him take care of you now. If you don't allow him to take care of you, you said, I can do it myself. Help me, I'll do it. Then who are you concentrating upon? Yourself, your own strength, or on him?
हामी जब केही प्राप्त गर्न चाहन्छौँ हामी आफूलाई नै अगाडि सारेर भन्छौँ कि म गर्न सक्छु, तर यो होइन। परमात्माले नै हाम्रो सबै चीजको ख्याल गरिरहेको छ।
When we say, Lord, we trust you, meaning you are there for us. So you allowed him also to take care of you.
परमात्माले हाम्रो सबै चिजको ख्याल गरिराख्नु भएको छ। हामीमा विश्वासको कमीले हामीले उहाँलाई यो भन्न सकिरहेका छैनौँ कि भगवान तपाईँ हाम्रा लागि हुनुहुन्छ, तपाईले हाम्रो सबै चिजको ख्याल गरिराख्नु भएको छ।
There was a bhakt in actually in Maharashtra, in India. He by the name of Kurmadas. You can hear.
महाराष्ट्रमा
एक भक्ति.
महाराष्ट्रमा एकजना भक्त हुनुहुन्थ्यो जसको नाम थियो कुर्मदास।
Kurmadas, he was born without hand, without leg.
कुर्मदासको जन्म बिना हात र बिना खुट्टा भएको थियो।
No hand, only the outer part of the body.
कुनै अङ्ग थिएन, हात र खुट्टा पनि थिएन, मात्र शरीर थियो।
So imagine his life.
So के हामी कल्पना गर्न सक्छौँ उहाँको जीवनको?
But his bhakti for Krishna was exquisite.
उहाँको भक्ति अटुट थियो।
One day, one bhakta came to his village, Haitan.
एक दिन one day भक्तले उहाँलाई निमन्त्रणा दिनुभयो।
Mataji, your husband speak like that at home. Kurmadas, the Haridas came to his village and talked about Krishna, the glory of Krishna, the glory of Panduranga. And inside of him, that bhav, that bhakti started to awaken. And he wanted so much to have darshan of Panduranga.
जब कुर्मदासकोमा हरिदास आउनुभयो, उहाँले अटुट भक्तिको कुरा गर्नुभयो।
So his only aim was that, to have darshan of Panduranga, no matter what. So he approached them and said to them, can I go with you to Pandharpur?
उहाँको केवल एक मात्र इच्छा थियो पाण्डुरङ्गको दर्शन गर्नु र उहाँले सोध्नुभयो कि म पाण्डरपुर जान सक्छु?
Looking at him, they said, look, we have our leg and arm, but still, for us it's difficult to go. How we will take charge of you, carrying you, all this, you know? It's quite difficult. So they refuse him.
हरिदासले भन्नुभयो, हामी हात खुट्टा भएर त हामीलाई यति गाह्रो छ पाण्डरपुर गएर पाण्डुरङ्गको दर्शन गर्न, तिम्रो त हात खुट्टा छैन, हामी तिम्रो बोझ कसरी बोक्न सक्छौँ?
So he was very devastated, heartbroken, but he didn't. He had takes that determination. Nothing can stop him. But he did. He started to crawl. You know, he would walk, pushing with his chin. So he started crawling. So he crawled to the next village. They took him holding in the deep sun. But in his mind was only Panduranga.
उहाँलाई हरिदासको त्यो कुराले साह्रै मूर्छित बनायो र उहाँ बिना हात बिना खुट्टा घिस्रिँदै अर्को गाउँमा पुग्नुभयो, चर्को गाउँ।
When he reached to the next village, he went to the Hanuman temple and he prayed, Panduranga, I don't know how will I reach Pandharpur. You are the only one who can look after me, no one else. So having this faith in Bhagavan, at that precise moment, Panduranga himself came in disguise to him.
जब कुर्मदास अर्को गाउँमा पुग्नुहुन्छ तब उहाँले मन्दिरमा गएर प्रार्थना गर्नुहुन्छ, पाण्डुरङ्ग, मसँग कुनै उपाय छैन, तर तिमीसँग अनेक उपाय छन्, म कसरी तिम्रो दर्शन गरौँ? र कुर्मदासको प्रार्थना सुनेर पाण्डुरङ्गले आफ्नो रूप फेरेर आउनुभयो।
He asked him, why are you going to Pandharpur? How can you go like this to Pandharpur? Of course, he could not recognize the Lord himself in front of him. So he said, listen, for me, I have only one aim. Even if it takes my whole life, I would reach only Pandharpur to see Bhagavan. And the businessman, which is Panduranga in disguise, said to him, I will look after you because I will be always ahead of you. I will prepare a place for you to stay and I will prepare your food and everything. So whenever you reach the next village, I will be there looking after you. So like that, it took 4 months.
जब कुर्मदास घिस्रिँदै अर्को गाउँमा पुग्नुभयो र उहाँलाई पाण्डुरङ्गले आफ्नो रूप बदलेर दर्शन दिइसक्नु भएको थियो र उहाँले भन्नुभयो कि त कसरी पुग्छस् अर्को गाउँमा? तर कुर्मदासले आफ्नो भक्ति र श्रद्धा र विश्वासले भन्नुभयो, मेरो केवल एक उपाय मात्र छ, पाण्डुरङ्गको दर्शन गर्ने।
He said he would look after him, take care of him, provide for him ahead of time.
पाण्डुरङ्गले भन्नुभयो, म सबै किसिमले तिम्रो रक्षा गरिरहेको हुन्छु, तिम्रो अगाडि गएर तिम्रो।
So after 4 months, he reached to a village called Bahula.
र जब कुर्मदास बहुला भन्ने गाउँमा पुग्नुहुन्छ,
he was finished. His body was scratched, blood was coming out from everywhere. But in his mind was only Panduranga.
जब उहाँ घिस्रिँदै अर्को गाउँमा पुग्नुभएको थियो, उहाँको घिस्रिने क्रममा शरीरबाट रगत र अन्य किसिमले चोट लागेर उहाँ अत्यन्त पीडित हुनुहुन्थ्यो।
When he reached there, he could not move anymore. He said to Panduranga, now I will give up my life here. My only wish is to see you. If that is your will, that I died here, let it be.
जब मूर्छित र थकित कुर्मदासले भन्नुहुन्छ कि पाण्डुरङ्ग, अब मसँग कुनै उपाय छैन र सबै हजुरको कृपामा छ।
So with such bhakti, how can Bhagavan not reveal himself? First Bhagavan was helping him, he didn't know it was him. So at that moment he appeared in his full aspect.
जब उहाँलाई भगवानले प्रत्येक पाइलामा साथ दिनुभएको थियो, उहाँले यो महसुस गर्न सक्नु भएन कि मलाई स्वयं पाण्डुरङ्गले नै मार्गदर्शन गरिरहनु भएको थियो। तर थकित र मूर्छित अवस्थामा जब कुर्मदासले पाण्डुरङ्गको पूर्ण रूप देख्नुभयो, तब उहाँ आनन्द विभोर हुनुभयो।
It was in that blissful state the Lord went near him. Because Bhagavan didn't come alone. He came with Namdev and son Gyaneshwar together.
जब उहाँको अटुट भक्ति र श्रद्धाले स्वयं भगवान नै उहाँमा प्रकट हुनुभएको थियो, जस्तै नामदेव र ज्ञानेश्वर।
So Bhagavan went and gave him a big hug.
र भगवान उहाँको अगाडि उभिएर उहाँलाई अँगालोमा हाल्नुभयो.
At that moment, his hand and feet was given back to him.
र त्यसै बखत उहाँको घुमेका हात र खुट्टा फिर्ता आएको थियो.
But that was not that important for him. For him, which was important is the Lord Himself.
तर कुर्मदासको लागि हात र खुट्टा शरीरमा फेरि फिर्ता आउनु महत्त्वपूर्ण थिएन, तर स्वयं पाण्डुरङ्ग उहाँको लागि धेरै महत्त्वपूर्ण थियो.
Bhagavan said to him, "What do you want else?"
र भगवानले भन्नुभयो, तिमी के चाहन्छौ?
So looking at Thakurji, he said, "Bhagavan, why are you tempting me?" That was his answer. Why are you tempting me? It is said, those who are ignorance, they will ask for so many things. Due to desire, how many great souls have fallen? Look at the state of Ravana. He was so wise, but yet out of ignorance, he lost everything. Why are you asking me to ask you something? You are the one which provides, you are the one which look after.
जब कुर्मदासलाई भगवानले दर्शन दिनुभयो, उहाँले सोध्नुभयो कि कुर्मदास तिमी के चाहन्छौ? र कुर्मदासले भन्नुभयो, भगवान तपाईँ किन मलाई सताइराख्नु भएको छ? किन यो सोध्न बाध्य गराइराख्नु भएको छ? हजुर स्वयं नै सबैको ज्ञाता हुनुहुन्छ, सबै चिजको ज्ञाता हुनुहुन्छ, सर्वदर्शी हुनुहुन्छ.
Bhagavan was very happy with his answer. But then he felt inside of him, if he's asking, it's not for himself, but for everybody. So in his mind he said, listen, in front of your devotee, Namdev and Ganeshwar, say, I can't say no to you. But if you want to give something, there will be many people who would not be able to come to Pandharpur. I would like you to be here, living here permanently.
जब कुर्मदासले भगवानलाई उत्तर दिनुभयो, पाण्डुरङ्ग धेरै हर्षित र खुसी हुनुभयो उहाँको उत्तर सुनेर र भन्नुभयो कि तपाईँ किन सधैँ एकै ठाउँमा बसिराख्नुहुन्छ? र उहाँ सन्त ज्ञानेश्वर र नामदेवसँग पनि सँगै हुनुहुन्थ्यो.
So he asked Bhagavan to stay permanently in the village. Bhagavan would not refuse him. Out of his body, a vigraha appeared there. So that's why in Ganga also it's similar to Pandharpur, where Bhagavan from his own self manifested the deity.
जब पाण्डुरङ्ग स्वयं यात्रा गरेर आउनुभएको थियो, उहाँको शरीरबाट मूर्ति प्रकट भयो र उहाँको श्रद्धा र भक्तिले भगवान स्वयं प्रकट हुनुभएको थियो.
Okay, that's, we can say it is 500 years ago. That we can say Pandharpur 2000 years back. Bhagavan did the same lila. In Andhra Pradesh, in 1929, Bhagavan appeared to the dream of one bhakta and said, I want a temple to be made. And the bhakta said, I don't have anything. How will I make it? He said, don't worry. Trust that it will happen. And myself I will come. You don't need to worry about anything. So the bhaktas started, just to cut the story short, the bhaktas started building the temple little. But meanwhile, the temple become bigger. When you start something small, it keep growing, it become bigger. When the temple was not yet finished, they had some problem with because India was under the English rules at that time, so the authority was opposed to the construction of the temple. But on that precisely when Brahmana said he wanted the temple to be open, there was no deity, nothing. So that night, everybody in the village had a dream. Bhagavan called them all. They come there and they're waiting for you. So they all went to the unfinished building. When they went to the unfinished building, they just saw a bright light. And then they saw Panduranga standing and Rukmini together. So this is 1929. So you see, when you have faith, you should trust. And He will look after and take care of you. You don't need to worry about anything.
यो कुरा 400 वर्ष 500 वर्ष र पाण्डवपुरको कुरा 2000 वर्ष अगाडिको कुरा हो र आन्ध्र प्रदेशमा 1929 मा एक भक्तको सपनामा भगवान आउनुभयो र उहाँलाई दर्शन दिएर भन्नुभयो कि तिमीले मेरो मन्दिर बनाऊ। तर भक्तसँग केही पनि थिएन र उहाँले भन्नुभयो मसँग केही छैन, मैले कसरी मन्दिर बनाउन सक्छु हजुरको। तर भगवानले भन्नुभयो कि तिमी किन चिन्ता गर्छौ, सबै चिज म हेर्नेछु। तब भक्तले ढुङ्गाहरू खोजेर बिस्तारै बिस्तारै क्रमैसँग ढुङ्गा खोजेर सानो सानो गरी मन्दिर बनाउन थाल्नुभयो। दिनानुदिन मन्दिर बन्दै जाँदा एकाएक ठुलो देखिन गयो। त्यतिखेर अङ्ग्रेजको शासन थियो र मानिसहरू प्रसिद्ध थिए। तर भगवानले उहाँलाई बाटो देखाइराख्नु भएको थियो र जुन दिन मन्दिरको उद्घाटन हुनु थियो, भगवानले सबैको सपनामा गएर दर्शन दिनुभयो र उनीहरूलाई प्रकाश रूपमा दर्शन दिएर सबैलाई जुटाउनु भयो।
So you see, if you have faith, you should not worry about anything. And this is between you and the one himself directly.
यदि हामीलाई भगवानप्रति अटुट श्रद्धा र विश्वास छ भने हामीले डराउनु पर्दैन। भगवान स्वयं नै हामीहरूको रक्षा गरिरहनु भएको हुन्छ।
He will take care of you. He will look after you. He will care for you. He will provide for you.
उहाँले हाम्रा सबै चाहनाहरू पूरा गरिदिनुहुन्छ। उहाँले हामीलाई हर वखत हेरिरहनु भएको छ र हाम्रो रक्षा गरिरहनु भएको छ।
Only one thing you have to do, trust Him.
मात्र एक कुराको जरुरी छ, हामीमा भगवानप्रति भक्ति, प्रेम र विश्वासको जरुरी छ।
Trust has everything in it. In trust there is the love, prema. There is a surrender. श्रद्धा र भक्ति र विश्वासले सबै कुरा सम्भव छ, केही कुरा सम्भव छैन।